Hello guys, it's the 1st January 2019. I'm just down in the shop taking some measurements for the servo pump, some ain fittings and well fittings and hoses and stuff. I want to take time to say a little bit of this past year that's gone. It started out not so good with a half-finished car. With the engine and everything. I didn't know how it's going to run, and then we got it on a dyno and it broke. Not a very happy moment for me, but we actually don't know to this day what caused the breakdown on the car. I just know that the glow plug in cylinder number 5, it broke off and went down in the cylinder and trashed the head and trashed the piston and trashed the cylinder, so it's toast. I have my theory about what happened with the engine, but there are wild guesses, so I'm gonna take that engine apart maybe in an upcoming episode and see if we can figure out the problem or why it broke down, but it's gonna be in the future. For now though, after the breakdown, I took a very long break from drifting, from everything. Just went with my family. My girlfriend was pregnant, so we got a new baby delivered in October, so it's gonna be a full house with 2 kids running around pretty soon. So my firstborn is soon 6 years old, so he is making it up there, but there's a lot of stuff to do when I get home, and that's why I also took a break from everything and started thinking about what I want to do. And since I have a 1J laying around on the shelf that I bought 10 months earlier, I started thinking about easy horsepower is a well-proven method, and yeah, I'm gonna do with that because now I want to drive. And I started putting the 1J in the car. But with that said, I want to say thank you to all the people that helped me in 2018 and before that to get my car and me where I am today. Not that it's very fancy, but help with everything, because it takes time from me and my friends and my family, everything, support from sponsors and everything to get it to work. Like every helping hand is very good, and I want to say thank you for everything. And with that said, 2019 for me and for you Mad, is going to be a year where I work on the car as soon as I can, or as much as I can. We are working on our first own logo, and I have seen some sketches of it. It's going to be pretty damn rad. Very, very old school logo. You see, I'm not going to drive at all in 2019. It's just going to be u-mad working on the car, get it running, and when it's running, get all the small issues worked out, so we don't need to spend so much time at the track just wrenching on the car and don't get any seat time. I have some plans what I want to do with the car, but I'm a little bit scared of it maybe be too much to do, so I'm not gonna say everything at once. But one thing is engine wise, that's going to run and everything. I want to drive my Borg Warner S200 turbo on there, and I'm gonna cut these out and build some NASCAR doors on both sides, because yeah, over here every time I take the steering wheel and pull it, elbow is going to end up over here. So I'm going to cut these out and do NASCAR doors so that doesn't happen in the future. And also gonna weld some reinforcement in the cage and I also have some plan in the back here, but that's some stuff I don't want to mention now because I don't know how much I'm going to do or how much time I'm going to have in the garage yet. So I take it very slow and try to make everything the right way the first time, so it doesn't get into small dumb issues in the future. So it maybe takes some time, but I'm prepared to do it because it's the right way to do it. You guys that watching this, following the channel, following the progress on the build, on u-maddrifting, thank you very much, and I hope you gonna like the content that comes this year. And with that, I hope you had a good New Year's Eve, and we'll see you in the future.